Leeks are a member of the onion family, and in fact they look very much like a large green onion. A lot of recipes call for leeks, but sometimes people are hesitant to use them because they don't know how to prepare them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean them and get them ready for cooking. So I'm going to start by just cutting off the root end of the leek, and then we're going to want to trim out the coarse outer leaves. And a lot of times when you're reading recipes, they'll say just to use the white part of the leek, but you can really use a good part of the green part also, because it adds a nice flavor and it gives it a little bit of color. And so what you want to do is just start trimming around the outside and working your way up. With each cut, preserving as much of the thin part of the leek, and you'll see that as you work your way up, it gets a little bit lighter in color. And when you finally get to the end, you're going to see you can just cut off the end there. There's a little bit of the green. And then we want to split the leek open. The leeks grow underground, and so they can end up with a lot of dirt inside. And either just cut it in half once, or sometimes I'll do it twice so you can really open it up. And then you want to thoroughly wash it with water. Again, this one was pretty clean, but a lot of times they're not. And then from there, you're just going to cut it up into whatever size you want, and it's ready to use.